Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item to us here in our used range, in that of a Coachman Pastiche 565 2017. So here's a good look at that particular caravan, a nice generous sized front locker box. The Pastiche range benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. Down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, an exterior 240 volt socket, and that wonderful Pastiche logo going down the side. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath the side single bed. There is no motor mover currently fitted to this caravan, but we can certainly work hard for you and get a fantastic price on a motor mover if that's a need and a consideration for you. Stepping inside the caravan, you've got a generous under-counter fridge next to a large kitchen work surface, a 3-gas hob burner with 1 electric combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath, an easy usable height microwave, and a medium-sized Hecky light in the kitchen area. You've got this beautiful two-tone effect over the kitchen, moving into a wood two-tone effect into the lounge area. You have the Pioneer TV CD radio and the panoramic sunroof located at the front, coupled with a generous sized Hecky light, giving a fantastic feeling of space. Looking at the fabric scheme in here, you can certainly see how well looked after this was by the previous customers, because it's in absolutely fantastic condition. That two-tone effect going again throughout in the lounge area. Your main command centre above the habitation door, and benefiting from the Alder wet central heating in this particular model. You have a television point located here to be able to hook onto that bracket there. A very generous sized wardrobe with drawers underneath, as we're going to now step forwards and through to the bedroom area. So 2 fixed single beds in this particular model. Nice, long and widthy single beds, so plenty of luxury and plenty of space, and also benefiting again from ample amount of storage. You've got this wonderfully large sunroof that you've got at the back, which again creates a fantastic feeling of space in this generous sized bedroom area. Further television point located there in the bedroom, and also you see the concertina blind, so you can shut off and create some privacy should you require it. Stepping into the bathroom area, we've got illuminated washroom mirror, the Aldi wet central heated towel rail, storage located next to the Thetford toilet, and a very generous sized individual shower cubicle. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Pastiche 565 2017 has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We'd love the opportunity to do business with you, and hopefully this may be the right caravan for you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.